Hi everybody, this is Lisa from Handmade Jewelry Haven, and I just wanted to give a real quick tutorial on beading on the Marudai with the tamas. And if you get a chance, please watch Robert Hattori's video on proper tama handling. When he does his video, he uses just the fiber, he's not using the beads. And I really couldn't find anything online that showed the beads, so I wanted to just do a real quick 2-second tutorial on this. The most important thing is, because when I started this, and I really should have watched this video a long time ago, I was having a real problem with my beads not locking in. And what I found I was doing was that I was gripping these cords like this, thereby releasing the tension, which is major. That was my problem. The whole purpose of it is to let the tamas hold your tension. So the trick of this is that you need to hold them without pinching the line. So I'm just going to slide one bead up on each side. I'm going to hold my west cord with my thumb. I'm going to hold my east cord with my forefinger. I'm going to pick up, I'm not pinching, I'm just letting the tamas hold it, and I'm going to turn and place it down. You see how those beads just slipped right in there? I'm going to do my north-south right now, and this is of course with the traditional Kongo-Gumi pattern. My north one is going to be held by my thumb. The south is with my forefinger. I'm going to lift up, let the beads slide down, turn, and as you see when I turn, I end up with my thumb on the north and my forefinger on the south. That takes a little getting used to, but it's well worth figuring it out. If you just start with this really slowly, your speed will follow. Don't try and just fly through this, and because you won't get it. Just do it very slowly, like almost like you're in slow motion. Drop my beads, turn, down. Another really important thing here is to always keep your tamas the same length. You can see here I'm really at the end of my project right now, and I just wanted to do this really quick before I ran out, but he said always keep your tamas the same length. He said it's very important not to have one on one side that's shorter and one on the other side that's longer, because then you're going to compensate with and it's not going to have the right tension. So he says even if you have to do your tamas every few rounds, go ahead and do it. So I pick up, let them slide, turn, place down. Pick them up, let them slide, turn, place down. Pick it up, slide, turn, place down. Pick it up, turn, slide, place down. And that's really it. Again, if you just try this and practice with it, you're going to find that these beads just lock into place each and every time. But that's really the secret. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helps. If you did enjoy it, I would love to have a comment and hit subscribe. See any more great videos that I might have coming out in the future. Okay? Bye-bye.